middle school, late middle school, early high school, I think is really a prime time to introduce the debit cards and the Apple Pay solutions.
Every time I look at his statement, it's like insufficient funds, insufficient funds. He goes and tries to buy stuff all the time and has no money on it. So he's learning the pain of that too, how embarrassing that is to go up and have no money on your card. He has, a friend that has unlimited funds on Apple Pay. His friend is always like,
Oh,
"Oh, I've got Apple Pay. I've got Apple Pay. I got, I can pay for anything. I got Apple Pay." And and there's no real, like I don't think there's, like, a budget or a strategy there. It's just like when he needs money, there's money on Apple Pay. You still have to follow these rules and this strategy that we've been working on, and Apple Pay doesn't mean just, like, open the floodgates. It means
right. Apple Pay doesn't mean
one
free
other
money,
way to
right?
pay using your
No,
monthly allowance, you know?
exactly. So what I mean specifically though is you can use Apple Pay with the debit card.